Let me say something important before we begin. If you feel tired, if you feel unmotivated, if you feel like you should be doing better but don't have the energy, there is nothing wrong with you. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are human, and today I'm not here to push you. I'm here to steady you. Because the truth is, you don't need motivation to fix your life. You need clarity and self-respect. So here are 5 simple rules, not to transform your life overnight, but to stop making it harder than it already is. Rule 1. Stop waiting to feel ready. Here's something freeing. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need confidence. You don't need motivation. Readiness is not a feeling, it's a decision. Most people wait for energy before action, but life works the opposite way. Action creates energy, so today don't ask, how do I feel? Ask, what is the smallest respectful action I can take right now? That's enough. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you care about. Think about how you speak to yourself. Would you talk like that to a friend who's struggling? Would you shame them for being tired? Would you call them weak? No. Self-respect begins with how you talk to yourself when no one is watching. You don't need harsh discipline, you need basic kindness. Kindness doesn't make you lazy, it makes you safe enough to try again. Rule 3. Lower the bar and keep it low. This one matters. Your life doesn't fall apart because you do too little. It falls apart because you expect too much when you're already exhausted. So lower the bar, not forever, just for now. Instead of, I need to fix everything, try, I will do one small thing and stop. Consistency grows from manageable promises, not heroic ones. Rule 4. Separate feelings from responsibility. This rule will change how you see yourself. You are allowed to feel sad. You are allowed to feel overwhelmed. You are allowed to feel lost. But feelings are not commands. You can feel anxious and still show up. You can feel tired and still take one step. Responsibility doesn't mean forcing yourself. It means gently continuing even with messy emotions. Rule 5. Keep one promise to yourself daily. Just one, not 10, not a perfect routine. One promise. Maybe it's going for a 5-minute walk, drinking water, sleeping on time, writing one honest sentence. Why does this matter? Because every kept promise tells your brain, I can trust myself. And trust, not motivation, is what fixes lives. Ending, reassurance and direction. If you're listening to this and thinking, I failed too many times, hear this. You're not behind. You're not weak. You're just tired. And tired people don't need pressure. They need clear, gentle direction. Start small, be kind, move anyway. Not because you hate where you are, but because you respect yourself enough to move forward. This is how lives change. Quietly, simply, one honest step at a time. This is the better way.